How are you today?
I'm doing well, thanks. How about you?
What time is it?
It's 3:15 p.m.
Where are you going?
I'm heading to the grocery store.
Did you sleep well last night?
Not really. I had a hard time falling asleep.
What's for dinner?
I'm making pasta tonight.
Are you free this weekend?
Yes, I don't have any plans yet.
Do you like coffee or tea?
I prefer coffee in the morning.
What do you do for a living?
I work as a graphic designer.
How was your weekend?
It was relaxing. I stayed home and read a book.
Can you help me with this?
Sure, what do you need?
What's your favorite movie?
I love The Shawshank Redemption.
Are you hungry?
A little bit, yeah.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have an older brother.
What time do you usually wake up?
Around 6:30 a.m. on weekdays.
Do you like your job?
Yes, I enjoy it most days.
What are you doing tomorrow?
I have a meeting in the morning, then free time.
Have you been to Japan?
Not yet, but I'd love to go.
What kind of music do you like?
I listen to pop and indie mostly.
How's the weather today?
It's sunny and warm.
Can I borrow your pen?
Of course, here you go.
What's your favorite food?
I love sushi.
Are you okay?
Yeah, just a bit tired.
What's your name?
My name is Anna.
Where do you live?
I live in New York.
Can we talk later?
Sure, just text me when you're free.
How do you get to work?
I take the bus.
Do you like dogs or cats?
I like both, but I have a cat.
What's your favorite color?
Blue. It's calming.
How often do you exercise?
About 3 times a week.
Want to grab lunch together?
Sure, that sounds great.
Did you watch the game last night?
Yes, it was amazing.
How do you feel today?
I feel great, thanks.
What's your hobby?
I enjoy painting.
Have you finished your homework?
Not yet, I'm working on it.
Can you speak Spanish?
Just a little bit.
What's your favorite season?
I love autumn.
What's your phone number?
It's 555-1234.
Do you want some coffee?
Yes, please.
Are you married?
No, I'm single.
What time do you go to bed?
Usually around 11 p.m.
Are you coming to the party?
Yes, I'll be there.
What's your favorite book?
To Kill a Mockingbird.
What are you doing right now?
Just relaxing.
Do you like cooking?
Yes, I cook every day.
How's your day going?
Pretty good so far.
Do you drive?
Yes, I have a car.
Are you busy right now?
A little, but I can talk.
What's today's date?
It's October 9th.
Do you need any help?
No, I'm okay, thanks.
How long have you lived here?
For about 3 years.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a dog named Max.
What did you eat for breakfast?
Just toast and coffee.
Have you ever been to Paris?
No, but I'd love to visit someday.
Are you tired?
A little. It's been a long day.
What do you like to do on weekends?
I usually go hiking or watch movies.
Do you work from home?
Yes, 3 days a week.
What's your favorite restaurant?
There's a great Thai place near my house.
Can you cook?
Yes, I enjoy trying new recipes.
What are you watching these days?
I just started a new series on Netflix.
Are you on social media?
Yes, mostly Instagram and Facebook.
What kind of phone do you use?
I have an iPhone.
Do you like shopping?
Sometimes, when I need something.
How often do you go out?
Maybe twice a week.
Do you live alone?
No, I live with my family.
Are you afraid of heights?
A little bit, yeah.
What's your dream job?
I'd love to be a travel blogger.
Can I call you later?
Sure, just let me know when.
What time do you eat dinner?
Usually around 7 p.m.
Do you believe in luck?
Sometimes, yeah.
Are you good at math?
Not really, to be honest.
Do you play any instruments?
I play the guitar a little.
What's your favorite holiday?
I love Christmas.
Do you prefer mountains or the beach?
The beach, definitely.
Are you learning any new skills?
Yes, I'm learning how to code.
What did you do last weekend?
I visited my grandparents.
How do you relax after work?
I watch TV or go for a walk.
What languages do you speak?
English and a bit of Korean.
What's your favorite dessert?
Chocolate cake.
Do you go to the gym?
Yes, 3 times a week.
Are you a morning person?
Not really. I prefer evenings.
What's your favorite app?
Probably Spotify.
Do you drink alcohol?
Occasionally, yes.
What's your favorite animal?
I love elephants.
Do you like reading?
Yes, I read almost every night.
Are you good at cooking?
I think so. People like my food.
What's the last movie you saw?
I watched Oppenheimer. It was great.
What's your favorite city?
Tokyo. It's so clean and exciting.
Do you like spicy food?
Yes, the spicier the better.
Are you afraid of flying?
Not really. I fly often.
Do you believe in ghosts?
I'm not sure, but I like ghost stories.
What's your favorite sport?
I enjoy soccer the most.
Do you like your neighbors?
Yes, they're very friendly.
Have you ever gone camping?
Yes, once last summer. It was fun.
Do you take naps?
Sometimes on weekends.
What's your biggest fear?
Probably failing at something important.
Do you like to dance?
Only when no one's watching.
How do you get around the city?
I usually use the subway.
Are you planning a vacation soon?
Yes, next month I'm going to Italy.
Do you like working in teams?
Yes, collaboration is key.
What did you do today?
I went to work and ran some errands.
Are you feeling better?
Yes, much better now. Thank you.
Do you like rainy days?
Yes, they're peaceful.
Do you have a favorite quote?
Do what you love what you do.
What time do you start work?
I start at 9 a.m.
Have you eaten lunch yet?
Yes, I had a sandwich.
Are you watching anything interesting?
Yes, I'm watching a documentary on space.
Do you like art?
I love visiting art galleries.
What's your favorite subject?
I always enjoyed history.
What are your weekend plans?
I'm going hiking with some friends.
Can you swim?
Yes, I learned as a kid.
Are you allergic to anything?
Yes, I'm allergic to peanuts.
Do you like surprises?
Only the good kind.
Do you like your boss?
Yes, she's very supportive.
What's your go-to breakfast?
Oatmeal and fruit.
Are you good at public speaking?
I get nervous, but I'm improving.
Do you like meeting new people?
Yes, I find it exciting.
What's your favorite snack?
I love popcorn.
How do you usually spend your evenings?
Watching TV or reading.
Have you ever broken a bone?
Yes, I broke my arm in high school.
Are you tech-savvy?
A bit, but I'm still learning.
What's your favorite drink?
Iced green tea.
Have you ever been late for work?
Yes, once because of traffic.
Do you enjoy learning languages?
Very much. I'm learning French now.
Are you afraid of the dark?
Not really, unless I'm alone.
What's your favorite fast food?
Probably burgers.
Do you like road trips?
Yes, especially with good music.
What's your favorite ice cream flavor?
Cookies and cream.
Do you go to the movies often?
Not really. I prefer watching at home.
Are you organized?
I try to be, but sometimes I'm messy.
Have you ever tried yoga?
Yes, and it's really relaxing.
What's your favorite clothing brand?
I like Uniqlo, simple and comfy.
Do you have a favorite teacher?
Yes, my high school English teacher.
Do you believe in fate?
Sometimes, yes.
Are you competitive?
A little, but in a fun way.
Have you ever been on TV?
Yes, once during a school event.
Do you like singing?
Only in the shower.
What time do you usually eat lunch?
Around 12:30 p.m.
Have you ever been in love?
Yes, once.
Are you saving money?
Yes, for a trip next year.
What's your biggest dream?
To travel the world.
Are you usually late or early?
I try to be early.
What's your favorite way to relax?
Listening to music or taking a walk.
Do you prefer summer or winter?
Summer. I love the sunshine.
Do you use a planner?
Yes, it helps me stay organized.
Do you like spicy food?
I love it, especially spicy noodles.
What makes you happy?
Spending time with people I love.
What's your favorite childhood memory?
Family vacations by the sea.
Do you usually eat out or cook?
I cook during the week, eat out on weekends.
Are you good at giving advice?
People say I am.
Do you like working from home?
Yes, it's more comfortable and flexible.
What's the first thing you do in the morning?
I check my phone and drink water.
Do you prefer texting or calling?
Texting, it's more convenient.
Have you ever been to a concert?
Yes, and it was amazing.
Are you a coffee or tea person?
Definitely a coffee person.
What's your favorite thing to cook?
I love making stir-fried noodles.
Are you afraid of spiders?
Yes, I really don't like them.
Do you enjoy working out?
Not always, but I like the results.
What kind of movies do you like?
I enjoy thrillers and comedies.
Do you like rainy weather?
Yes, it makes me feel cozy.
Are you good with directions?
Not really. I use GPS a lot.
What's your favorite fruit?
I love mangoes.
Do you like board games?
Yes, especially strategy games.
Have you ever been in a taxi abroad?
Yes, it was a fun experience.
What's your favorite pizza topping?
Pepperoni and mushrooms.
Do you use social media every day?
Almost every day, yes.
What kind of car do you drive?
I drive a small sedan.
Are you afraid of public speaking?
Yes, but I'm working on it.
What's your favorite holiday destination?
I love going to the mountains.
Do you write in a journal?
Sometimes, when I have a lot on my mind.
What's your favorite TV show?
Friends. I've watched it many times.
Do you like trying new foods?
Absolutely. I'm very adventurous.
Are you close with your family?
Yes, we talk almost every day.
What kind of clothes do you like?
Comfortable and simple clothes.
Have you ever been lost in a city?
Yes, once in Seoul.
Do you enjoy your daily routine?
Most days, yes.
What app do you use the most?
Probably YouTube or Instagram.
What time do you usually wake up on weekends?
Around 9 or 10 a.m.
Do you eat out often?
Only once or twice a week.
Have you ever taken a cooking class?
Yes, it was really fun.
Are you an introvert or extrovert?
I'm more of an introvert.
What's your favorite way to spend a day off?
Sleeping in and watching movies.
What do you usually do on your lunch break?
I eat and scroll through my phone.
Do you prefer hot or cold weather?
I prefer cold weather.
Are you a morning or night person?
Night person, definitely.
Do you have any weekend traditions?
Yes, I go out for brunch every Sunday.
Have you ever been late to a flight?
No, I always arrive early.
What do you do when you're stressed?
I take deep breaths or go for a walk.
What's your favorite thing about your job?
The flexibility and friendly coworkers.
Do you use a laptop or desktop?
I use a laptop for everything.
What time do you usually sleep?
Around midnight.
Do you read news online?
Yes, every morning.
What's something you're proud of?
Finishing my degree.
Have you ever taken a long train ride?
Yes, and I loved the scenery.
Do you follow any sports teams?
Yes, I follow a local football team.
What's your go-to comfort food?
Mac and cheese.
Do you wear glasses or contacts?
I wear glasses.
Are you planning anything special soon?
Yes, a birthday party for a friend.
What's your biggest goal right now?
To improve my English skills.
What motivates you to get up every day?
The chance to do better than yesterday.